Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that we've come across, a versatile aquarium starter kit that is perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. You can find the link in the description below to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? It's the Generic Aquarium Starter Kit, specifically designed as a 0.3-gallon fish tank carrier. This compact yet stylish tank is not only ideal for fish but also suitable for small reptiles, turtles, or frogs, making it a great choice for anyone looking to start their journey into aquatic or terrarium environments. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this aquarium starter kit. Firstly, it is made with premium materials and crafted with exceptional attention to detail. This means that you can rely on its quality and design to exceed your expectations. Whether you're housing a colorful betta fish or a curious little frog, this tank is built to provide a safe and comfortable environment. Durability is another key highlight. This product has been rigorously tested to ensure it can withstand the rigors of daily use. You won't have to worry about leaks or cracks, as it's designed to last, ensuring that your aquatic friends have a stable habitat. Performance is where this aquarium truly shines. With its well-thought-out design, you can expect unbeatable performance that keeps the environment healthy for your pets. The tank is not just a pretty face, it's practical too, providing adequate space and ventilation for your creatures. So, who is this aquarium starter kit suitable for? It's perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of pet care without overwhelming themselves with complex setups. It's also suitable for children, making it a great educational tool for teaching responsibility and the basics of aquatic life. Moreover, if you're a seasoned pet owner looking for a compact solution for smaller pets or a decorative piece for your home or office, this tank fits the bill perfectly. In terms of practical use cases, you can easily set this tank up in a kid's room, a small apartment, or even a workspace. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it an excellent choice for setting up temporary homes for your pets during cleaning or moving. You can also use it as a display tank for small plants or aquatic decorations, adding a splash of life to any space. In conclusion, the Generic Aquarium Starter Kit is a reliable, durable, and high-performing solution for anyone looking to create a small aquatic or terrarium environment. With its premium materials and thoughtful design, it's an excellent investment for both new pet owners and seasoned enthusiasts.